So if you've ever wondered how you can turn on your fog lights in 2014 to 2017 Nissan Rogue models, this is how we do it. So this is the knob for the headlight, and as you can see, it's on, so we can turn it off just to confirm, turn it back on. And the knob for the fog light would be in the middle over here. It's off right now, so what we're going to do is we're going to twist it upwards like this, and as you can see at the dash, the light for the fog light came on. You can turn it back off, so that's the light I'm talking about, the one on the right. So just twist it, and then we can go out and confirm that it's on. And yeah, this is the fog light, and that's how you turn it on. See you in the next one, and please subscribe.